What's up guys, my name's Caleb and I have for you today the brand new Crossbeats Edge. So let's dig right into it. So the reason why I selected the Crossbeats Edge over say the Pebble or the Evolve or Urban is because I really like the small form factor. I don't like button controls because whenever I press the button it messes with the fit of the earphones. Moving on to the box, we have a pair of magnets to shut the box. Feels very premium. Now let's open it up. We have a 3-month Ghana Plus subscription. There's a code here and there's a link. So these are the earbuds itself in the case. We're going to look at that just in a moment. The accessories that come with it are some extra ear tips, small and large, and a USB-C cable. And here we have the user guide. Moving on to the specs, these are the smallest earbuds from Crossbeats. It supports touch controls, Google Assistant and Siri. It has less than 75 millisecond latency for gaming. It supports 3D sound. It has 12mm graphene drivers. Graphene drivers have incredible strength to weight ratio. They cut down on the amount of power that's required to move the coil back and forth, creating better efficiency and in theory better sound. It also supports 8th generation CVC, dual microphones, and passive noise cancellation. The earbuds last 5 hours and the case lasts a total of 20 hours. It supports USB Type-C, Bluetooth 5.0, Qualcomm chipset for fast pairing, IPX6 dust and water resistance. It supports AAC HD audio codec. It has a 33 feet range and it's compatible with iOS, Android and Windows. Moving on to the build quality, the case themselves as well as the earbuds, both of them are made of plastic. But I have to say that the quality of the plastics used feel very premium, as well as the hinge feels very sturdy. And overall, I would say the build quality is really good. So that's a thumbs up for me. So the battery case has a small LED next to the charging port, and that indicates the level of charge. So 1 light for 25, 2 lights for 50%, 3 lights for 75, and it's on for 100% charge. I would say the only negative about this case is that carrying around is a bit bulky, especially if you wear skinny pants. And that's how it looks like if you have to carry it in your pants. Alright, now how do you pair these earphones to your phone? You head to the Bluetooth settings of your device, head to pair new device, and remove the earbuds from the case. It should show up. Click on CB Edge. Click on pair, and that's it. Up here it shows your battery percentage. Right now mine is on 100%. If you head over to settings, make sure your HD audio AAC is turned on to get the best sound out of these earbuds. Also the 100% shows up here as well in your Bluetooth settings. And now every time you remove the earbuds from the case, it's gonna connect to your phone instantly, thanks to the Qualcomm processor. Moving on to the fit and comfort of these earphones, to give you perspective, I'm wearing them right now and I can confirm and say that they are super comfortable and they are not going to go anywhere. They fit really securely. If it has to be a jog or you're running or doing any activity, I think they're going to stay in place, period. Talking about the controls of these earbuds. The touch controls are very responsive. Also, you can use them to play, pause, also change volume, change your tracks, answer decline calls, as well as activate Google Assistant or Siri. So speaking of the sound quality, the sound separation is amazing. You can hear each instrument clearly. 3D sound is so good. There is no distortion at higher volumes. The highs are crisp and clear. Mids are well balanced, lows are adequate but not strong, especially if you like that strong punch. For me personally, I don't like very strong lows because you cannot listen to it for long periods of time. The overall sound experience is very well balanced. They sound like something that's not in this price range. However, if you do wish, you can always head to your mobile equalizer setting if you don't like the sound profile of your earbuds. This is a mic test of using the Crossbeats Edge.
I think they do a great job at picking up my voice. I think the person on the other line will be able to hear me clearly. Now this is a mic test of a crowd noise being played in the background. So this is what it would sound like if you would have to take a call outdoors.
Now for the fun part, the gaming. I've been using these earbuds for gaming in Call of Duty for past 3 days. I haven't noticed any noticeable lag. Also, you hear the footsteps clearly whether the enemy is coming from the left, right or back. I definitely recommend these earbuds for gaming. It makes it a lot more fun. Now coming to the important bit, how do you buy these? So they're available on Amazon for 4,500. However, I would suggest you buy this from Crossbeats.com because they're available at $399. And if you're lucky, you might just get a discount. My final verdict is I think you should go ahead and buy these earphones if your budget is under 4,000. You're getting amazing call quality, amazing sound quality. You're not getting aptX, but the gaming latency is really good. I think overall, they're a good pair of earbuds. My final verdict is, I think they're a great bang for your buck.